Before we start, look at the screen. What you're seeing isn't just technology, it's a massive transfer of wealth. Most people are busy asking ChatGPT to write emails, while the top 1% are using a different set of tools to automate entire industries. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the capital blueprint systems. If you want to be a spectator, stay on ChatGPT. If you want to be a builder, watch this until the very last second. Let's get to work. If you are still relying solely on ChatGPT, you are officially falling behind. Look, ChatGPT was the spark. But in 2026, the AI revolution has moved into a high-speed lane that most people don't even know exists. The gap between those who use basic AI and those who leverage advanced systems is where the real wealth is being made. Today, I'm taking you beyond the hype. I've personally tested over 50 tools this month, and I've narrowed it down to 3 insane AI platforms that are moving the needle for us at Capital Blueprint HQ. We aren't just talking about better prompts. We are talking about full-scale automation. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Perplexity AI. Most people waste hours scrolling through Google or getting outdated, hallucinated information from ChatGPT. Perplexity turns hours of research into seconds of verified reading. Here is the deep analysis. Unlike other models, Perplexity has live access to the 2026 web. It cites its sources with clickable links for every single claim it makes. The power move? You can upload a 50-page PDF document, like a complex market report, and ask Perplexity to identify the top 3 investment gaps. It's like having a PhD research assistant for free. The monetization strategy is simple. Use this to build a high-ticket newsletter or a faceless news channel. By providing fact-checked, real-time data on platforms like Substack or Upwork, you can charge a premium because your information is always current and verified. Next up is Leonardo.ai. In 2026, visuals are the currency of the internet. If your images look like generic AI, people will simply scroll past you. Leonardo is the ultimate creative powerhouse that gives you professional-grade control. It's not just text to image. With the image guidance feature, you can upload a rough sketch of a logo, and Leonardo will transform it into a professional 3D render. The real secret? The canvas editor. You can literally change specific details of an image, like a person's outfit or the entire background, without ever touching Photoshop. The monetization strategy here is massive. High-end visuals are in high demand. You can sell these as premium stock photography or use them to build a high-conversion brand on Instagram. Professionalism sells. Generic AI does not. Finally, the king of scaling, InVideo AI. The biggest barrier to YouTube success has always been time and technical skill. InVideo AI removes that barrier completely. It is not just an editor, it is a full production house. Here is the breakdown. This is the era of conversational editing. You don't drag and drop clips. You talk to the AI. You can literally say, change the voiceover to a deep British accent, or replace the second scene with a futuristic city shot, and it happens instantly. The power move? You can now produce a 10-minute, high-quality video in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. The monetization strategy? This is how you build a YouTube automation empire. You can manage 3 different niches simultaneously: finance, health, and tech, scaling your ad revenue while spending less than an hour a day on production. This is the definition of working smarter, not harder. The difference between success and failure in the digital age is execution. Don't just watch this video. Pick one tool and master it today. I've left links to all these tools in the description below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and master the systems of digital wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Capital Blueprint HQ. Which of these 3 are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.